So you've just joined the Rise Up Lounge, and I am so excited to have you here. Let me walk you through exactly what happens in your first 30 days and how to get the most out of this community from day one. When you become a Rise Up Lounge member, the first thing that you'll receive is a welcome email that comes right from me. I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to get started. After that welcome email, you're going to receive two separate invitations. The first one is your invitation to the lounge. And the second one, if you signed up for the pro version, is your invitation to our shared calendar. Now, here's where the magic starts to happen. Once I see that you've signed into the calendar, I'm going to leave you a personalized welcome. You'll see a welcome tag on the date with a little red circle on it. When you click on that, you're going to see the message I've left specifically for you. And at the top, you'll see a conversation that I have started. And this is how we're going to communicate throughout your journey. This is where we start mapping out your goals and creating your path to social media success. Inside the lounge, you're going to find everything that you need, from resources, blogs, videos, and even full courses that I've created just for you. I'm constantly updating the lounge with the latest tips and trends to keep you on top of your social platforms. You're never going to fall behind because I'm right there with you, keeping you informed every step of the way. So if you're ready to finally take control of your social media, grow your community authentically, and do it without the burnout, sign up today. I can't wait to see you inside the Rise Up Lounge.